Today I'm going to demonstrate text to columns in Excel. What text to columns does, it separates two pieces of data that are contained in one column. If we look at column A here, we see that there is a first name and a last name in column A. But I would like first name to be in one column and last name to be in a second column. I can do that pretty easily with text to columns. First thing I need to do is select the column that has the data I want to separate. So I'm going to click on the letter A to select column A that contains that data. Then I need to go to the Data tab in the Excel ribbon. I find the Data tab here. Here's the Home tab, Insert tab, Page Layout tab. I need the Data tab. With the Data tab selected, I go to the ribbon a little bit to the right and I see a button that says Text to Columns. I'm going to click on the Text to Columns button. When I click on the Text to Columns button, a little window appears. I'm going to follow the instructions in this window. It's first asking what type of file we have. The default is delimited, and it's probably always going to be delimited. It's very rare that you're going to have a fixed width. What delimited means, it's what is separating the two pieces of data. What is separating our two pieces of data is the space. Here's the first name, here's the last name. What separates it is a space. That is our delimiter. I see a preview of my data here. I'm good to go. I'm going to click Next in the bottom right corner of the window. The default delimiter that you're going to find is Tab, but Tab won't work for us. That is not what's separating our two pieces of data. It is a space. So I'm going to uncheck Tab, check Space, and when I check Space, you're going to see in the preview that now my data is separated. I have first name in one column, last name in another column. That's what we want, so we're good to go. Again, looking at the bottom right corner, I see a Next. I'm clicking on Next. Now it's asking what is the format of our data. Well, it's text. So I have this selected. I'm going to choose text. I'm going to click on the second piece, click text, and we're good. We're all finished, so we can click Finish in the bottom right corner. And when we look at our data, we see we have our first names in one column and last names in another column.